Good morning, Wild Lake. The Black History Lecture Series will continue tomorrow, Thursday, March 21st from 2:30 to 4 p.m. in room 222. This week's session will include discussion on the Underground Railroad, abolitionist black education, post-Civil War, and more. On Wednesday, March 27th at 7 p.m., come to the JRT to see the 5th annual ACPSS Strutting with the Staff dance competition. Tickets are $5 and can be purchased at the website below. Come out to support your favorite Wild Lake staff. Prom is fast approaching. Ladies, on Saturday, March 30th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., a pretty and polished affair sponsored by Zeta Phi Beta Lambda Gamma Zeta chapter and Becca's Closet of Atherton High School will be offered a true boutique experience. Each shopper will receive help from a personal shopper and access to hundreds of dresses, accessories, and expert fashion, hair, and makeup advice. Everything is free. For more information, contact the emails below. That's all for today. Have a great day at the lake.